Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. 今日はどうか I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share a Japanese chicken wings recipe. It is deep fried chicken with savory sauce, which is a popular menu in Aichi Prefecture, Nagoya City. This dish is also called Nagoya風手羽先. The sauce is rich and tasty, and the chicken is juicy and crispy. I hope you enjoy delicious Japanese chicken wings, Nagoya風手羽先. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll make the brine for chicken. And this is a recipe. The method is so simple, just combine all ingredients. Slowly to melt the sugar and salt. Okay, and last kombu. It is good to add grated ginger and garlic too. Then chicken flats. You can use chicken drumettes as well, but deep fried chicken flats are juicier and crispier. Today I cut the tips off. We can skip this work, but we can deep fry a large amount of the chicken at a time. Like this. It's easy to cut the joint part. Nice. I use the tips to make the chicken soup. You can use the soup for curry and stew. Then add the chicken into the brine. This brine makes the chicken juicy and brings out the flavor of the chicken. Distribute the brine to the chicken evenly. I let it stand for 30 minutes at room temperature. Meanwhile, I'll make the sauce. And this is the recipe. The recipe is for 12 to 50 pieces of chicken flats. I add soy sauce, mirin, sake, vinegar, and sugar. I add these seasonings after that. Reduce the sauce to thicken the flavor and make the texture sticky. The sauce is watery now. Heat it for 7 minutes over low heat. The sauce boils. Please look at the bubbles. 5 minutes later, the number of the bubbles increased, and the texture becomes sticky. Almost. Okay, stop the heat. If the texture becomes too sticky, please add a little water. Then add the white sesame seeds and Shichimi chili pepper. Shichimi is a Japanese popular spice which includes 7 types of spice. If you like chili flavor, please add the chili. Okay, the sauce is ready. This sauce is amazing. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. 30 minutes later, I drained the chicken in a sieve. Today I use the same amount of cake flour and potato starch. Potato starch makes the chicken crispier and the cake flour makes it juicier. Mix them. I coat the chicken with the powder evenly and flop it to remove the excess powder. Of course, if the powder is fine, and you can use cornstarch instead of potato starch. Nice. I put the powder to the chicken flats. Let's deep fry the chicken in the vegetable oil. First, the temperature is 150 degrees. Add the 6 pieces of chicken into the oil. The heat is medium-low. Firstly, deep fry the chicken in the lower temperature for about 5 minutes. I normally do double deep fry method to make the chicken juicy and crispy. The reason of cooking the chicken in the lower temperature is to cook it without browning. If the temperature is too high, the chicken burns before it's cooked. Ideally, we should cook the chicken with residual heat of fast frying, and the chicken has not browned at this point. Okay, I deep fry all the chicken in the oil at 150 degrees. Good. It is not crispy yet. Clean the oil carefully. It makes the finish beautiful. Secondly, the temperature is 180 degrees. It's higher than the before. Add the chicken to the oil. The oil is very hot, so please be careful. When oil gets hot, it becomes more fluid, and the chicken becomes crispy. Cook the chicken until it's well browned, about 2 minutes over medium-high heat. Browning the chicken adds nice roasted flavor. Turn them frequently to prevent them from burning. Okay, looks perfect. I remove all the chicken. Nice. I recommend to measure the temperature every time because the temperature rises more quickly if it's high. When the temperature decreases, turn on the heat. Then return the chicken. Careful works are important to enhance the quality of the dish. Good. The chicken is very crispy. The sauce becomes thick. It's good to dip the chicken into the sauce or pour the sauce over the chicken. But I like to coat the chicken with the sauce. So I heat it to make the sauce runny. Perfect. Add all chicken. Distribute the sauce to the chicken evenly and quickly. Looks so delicious. Done. Let's arrange it on the plate. Good. Finally, put the sansho shichimi over them. Sansho is a Japanese unique spice which is ground prickly ash tree. It adds refreshing aroma. Sansho goes well with a rich soy sauce based sauce. Nagoya Fu tebasaki is done. Let's eat it. Itadakimasu. The chicken is crispy and juicy. The sauce goes perfect with it. It is so delicious. Thank you, did you enjoy? This recipe is very simple and it is so delicious if it's cool too. I hope you enjoy delicious Japanese chicken wings, Nagoya Fu tebasaki. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.